Okay, so I'm going to do an unboxing of a watch that came in the mail today. Came from Asia, and it is a replica of the watch I'm wearing right now, which is a Breitling SuperOcean II. Blue dial, blue bezel, 44mm. And the one I'm wearing is genuine. I bought it from Joma Shop. The one in this box is a replica with an Asia automatic movement, and probably better not advertise the resale that I bought it from. It was shipped to me overseas. It was not purchased in my country, the US. Apparently it's difficult to get out of the box. So, based on my previous video, people get upset about these replicas and genuines and all the debate between that, and kind of trying to avoid that. This is mostly to warn people about how close a replica is getting. It is not always as simple as it looks, just like getting this thing out of this box. Alright, but this is how I received the box. Just like that, I took the shipping label off of it. I'm going to do this video, which is just unboxing it to show you what it's like when you receive it. And it took 6 days to get to the US. And my suggestion, if you are interested in one of these, which you may consider an actual genuine watch from Joma Shop, it's significantly cheaper than full retail at like a Breitling boutique. But anyway, do some research, because I get a lot of private messages, people asking me, and I really don't want to be involved in advertising or linked to it. I don't want to get in trouble. But I do want to illustrate how close these replicas are getting to the genuine watches. And I'll do a full comparison later. This is just an unboxing, like I said. So it ships in a plastic bag. It's actually a nice thick plastic bag. The retailer I bought from sent me pictures of the actual watch before shipping it, and he was very responsive. So there's some good resellers out there, these replicas. Got a nice little foam padding to keep the watch from scratching itself up. Got the little Breitling tag on there, just like my genuine had. And plastic all over it. Looks very different from the genuine, at least on the case it looks different. The band looks very similar, if I can recall. It's been a while. To how my genuine was when I got it from Joma Shop. They definitely have every single piece of exposed metal wrapped up to be protected. You can appreciate that for sure. In fact, this rubber plastic on here is so thick it's hard to get it off. There we go. Just got pulled by the red tag. Makes sense. So I'm going to have to do some research and do some up-close comparisons with my magnifying lamp. And see what differences there are exactly between my watch, my genuine, and this replica. So I believe on the genuine, this little label had to be cut off. However, this one here looks like it can just be untied, perhaps. Maybe not. Well, it's getting cut off. And I'll probably even do a comparison between the accessories or this little tag compared to the genuine watch, because that's pretty amazing. They're going that far with it to make the little tag look genuine as well. And I remember that the genuine watch had the same kind of little stickers all over the case, and this does have a lot of it. It's pretty frightening how much they're going into detail with just putting the case or the wrapping on it. I mean, this even has a hologram on it, and it says Breitling on the sticker. That's amazing. I did my unboxing video of the genuine, so you can compare that to this if you like. See what you think the differences are. I don't know if I'll get my comparison video done today, but I will get it done here in the next couple days. Between the genuine and this replica. And I need to get a well lit, set up, and do a good comparison between the two. Let's just take a little glance at it and see what we think. So the dial on the replica is much darker, almost looks black. Not sure if that's a difference in the model, if that's an option to go that dark. I think it's a navy blue though. And the genuine has a very, very light bezel around it. The weight is, I mean, I should actually get a scale and weigh it. I mean, they feel identical. There's no way to judge it just by the feel and the weight as you could before in some watches. Which the genuine feels like the band has got a lot more give to it, but that's because this thing still has a plastic sleeve on it. It's even got little arrows that tell you how to take the sleeve off. That's the scary part. It's almost, it could almost be passed as a genuine, brand new. In a retail store, because of all this that's on there. Wow, that's amazing how close they are. It really is. Really is frightening. I mean, I'm seeing some differences, but they're very subtle. And unless you had it side by side, you would not know. Unless you know exactly what to look for on each model. But I'll take some close-ups and I will do a detailed comparison, much like I did with the Rolex Reps and the genuine and the Omega replicas and genuine. And see how close they're getting with these now. It's just holding it and looking at it, it's pretty amazing how close they are. So anyway, that's it. Thank you for watching.